Hello, let me show you those POCO F7 have macro camera. So first let's open the camera, and I can tell you that we have no macro mode in here, but let's take some item like this and just simply zoom. Now as you can see I have some macro effect, but I have to hold my phone stable like this and go to this is the maximum zoom x10. And now this is the macro effect. So you have to hold your phone stable and you will get macro effect. So basically there is no macro mode. This feature is by zooming in and holding stable your phone. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.